Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I did this lace frontal install yesterday and decided to catch some footage. This is not a tutorial, just me showcasing my work. Now, if you all would like to see tutorials from me, just let me know in the comments. To achieve this look, I used one body wave frontal in 18 inch and 3 bundles also in body wave in 18, 22, and 22. You can purchase this hair right now through my website at www.cyremarie.com. Definitely let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at cyre.marie. Thanks for watching.